Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get access to Microsoft Teams keyboard shortcuts. It's very easy actually. First of all, you have to go to the Microsoft Teams command bar and then you can start typing keys. In this way you are going to get access to the keyboard shortcuts as you can see over here. So just hit enter key and then you are done. As you can see here, these are the keyboard shortcuts you have for Microsoft Teams. So all the shortcuts are categorized by different categories. So you have the general category. For instance, for open settings, you need to do Control plus Shift plus comma. To open help, just Control F1. Then you have also shortcuts for navigation. For instance, open activity, Control Shift 1, open meetings, Control Shift 4, and so on. And then you have shortcuts for messaging. And finally, you have shortcuts for messaging and calls. Last but not least, you have also at the bottom of this window a shortcut to the shortcuts for platforms. That is a link, and you also have a link to the Office Accessibility Center. And that's all. As I say at the beginning, this is a very short video just to show you how you can access Microsoft Teams shortcuts. I hope you have found the video interesting, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.